Traders, we are excited to announce our new brokerage partner, Blueberry Markets. They are willing to give you money to trade with them. As part of this partnership, you, the trader, are going to receive a full refund of your Simply Forex Discord fee. So, how will it work? Well, they're going to give you, the trader, $300 when you open an account with Blueberry Markets. More than 30,000 traders already trust Blueberry Markets, and they are highly rated on Trustpilot and Google. You can also benefit from excellent commissions and super tight spreads. Some spreads are zero. And you can also benefit from a dedicated customer support team that you can contact 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And if that's not enough, guys, you can also benefit from our rebate program that we're offering. So Simply Forex and Blueberry Markets have teamed up to offer you this excellent promotion. And if you would like to take advantage of it, guys, then find the link in the video description. Good morning, traders. How are you? I hope you're all good. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today is Monday, the 6th of March. And not as always, guys, usually we would look back at Friday's trades, but we did a psychology video. I hope you enjoyed that. So we won't do that today, but we will look at today's potential trades and the important news for today as well. Before I get started, guys, three things. First of all, the Discord channel, come join it. Lots of traders sharing ideas and knowledge. You will enjoy it. Also got the VIP now where you can ask me anything directly and receive all of our trade ideas. Secondly, guys, don't forget our live stream every Wednesday, 6:30 a.m. London GMT. Come join us. Ask as many questions as you like. Thirdly, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then please drop us an email and we'll send you all the details. All the information for all of these things are in the video description. Right, so like I said, guys, let's get straight into the trade ideas for today. So yeah, I'm looking at lots of different pairs today, but I've tried to narrow it down to a few. So the first one, guys, is this US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, and we're looking to short this. Obviously, this will be against trend, yeah, because this is in an uptrend. Okay. However, yeah, it's been bouncing off of this important resistance level here. So yes, bounced off of this. What do I like about it? Well, first of all, I like this candle. Yeah, and also Friday's candle. I know it's more of a doji, but there was definitely some rejection up here. You know, we're getting sellers entering this market. All right, and the idea is just to take it back down to this 3,550 level, and then potentially even leave, you know, some on the trade back down to these levels. All right, but that's what we're looking at. We're looking to short this pair. If we look at the H4 as well, guys, and I really like the fact that the H4 has broken down. Yeah, so he was in an uptrend, and then bang. As soon as we broke these lows here, we've now got potentially this. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. All right, guys. So yeah, lots of reasons to short. We have a look at this H4 candle as well. Yeah, look at this candle. Buyers tried to take it up, and then sellers were like, no way, Jose. Yeah, and then they just, yeah, they try to bring this pair down, even potentially back down to this gray zone, guys. All right, so that's what we're looking at. If we go to the H1 now, there's a couple of ways we can enter this pair. So first of all, we get a retrace back up into this area here and test these last highs. All right, if we get that, we just want to see a bearish reaction. And for all my regular subscribers, you know what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for a bearish candlestick pattern, or I'm looking for just a bearish candle that tells me sellers are in control. Well, that plus M15 structure breakdown. Yeah, this is generally what I'm looking for in order to take the trade. Once I get that, I'll enter. I'll take price back down to here first, close 80% because that's how I roll, and then I'll leave 20% to run. Okay, if that doesn't happen, guys, and you can see, look, there's been a bit of resistance here. So instead, if we get a break of this level, we get a retest, and then I can start shorting this pair. All right, guys, so that's what I'm looking for US dollar, Canadian dollar. There's more dollar pairs I'm looking at, guys. So the next trade idea is this, is US dollar against the Swiss franc. All right, if we go to the day chart, similar scenario to the Canadian dollar. Yeah, we're at a level, this grey zone. I just wanted to zoom out. So it's reacting currently, and it's reacted, you know, historically many times at this grey zone. So we know it's an important resistance level. And when we find a resistance level or a support level, but in this case, a resistance level, you want to see that sellers are entering the market at that level. And you know, H4, H1 structure is breaking down. Yeah, these are all clues as to when to tell us we can start shorting this pair. All right, so as you can see, again, this will be against trend. Yeah, this is in an uptrend. Okay, but as you can see, we're getting lots of sellers start entering the market here. Yeah, sellers want to push this down. If we zoom in a little bit, guys, yeah, you can see on Friday we had this super bearish candle as well. So, you know, we have had some buyers trying to push it back up, but then the sellers are just bringing it back down. And I really like the look of Friday's bearish red candle. Don't get much more bearish than that. So we're looking to short potentially back down to this psychological level of 9,300, this moving average level. All right. Okay, so let's drop down to the H4. Just wanted to show you that. Okay, so yeah, arguably in a little bit of a range. Yeah, these highs have just about been holding, and now we're back down to the bottom of this range. Okay, so, all right, so yeah, so we're in a range really on the H4. What do I want to see on the H1? So let's take a look. Sorry, guys, very unprofessional. My phone is making noises at me. Okay, so there's a few scenarios here, guys, looking at the H1. So these are those last H4 lows, yeah, the bottom of the range. So if we get a break of this level, retest, and then we can start taking price lower. Okay, or price could, this is what I'd like to see for the safest trade, the least aggressive trade. Yeah, I want to see a break of these lows, because at this level, price, you know, could come back up to the top of the range. Yeah, top of this range. So that's what I really want to see, although there are a couple of other levels through here, yeah, where price could react. To be honest with you guys, as I look at it, I'm going to remove this grey zone. Because if price is going to retrace, it's going to retrace at least up to here. Yeah, because of all of this support. So what we could do is wait for price to retrace up to here. Yeah, we see a bearish reaction at this level. Yeah, we get into the trade, we can take it back down to this level where I close 80%, and then we can leave 20% to run, guys. All right, so US dollar, Swiss franc, we are also looking to short this pair. And the next US dollar pairing is gold. Yeah, I like the look of gold. You are gold. Remember, I said I would sing it every time we look at gold. I apologize for my terrible voice. All right, so let's zoom out, just see what we're seeing. So, yeah, we can see that price bounced off of this important grey zone here. Yeah, it was important in here, important. So we knew potentially that this could become a good support level. And if we zoom in, sure enough, it's become a very good support level, yeah? And we've also had a bit of a break in structure for me. Yeah, so ever since this area here, this grey zone through here has been broken, yeah, structurally, we're in a uptrend for me. If I zoom in now so you can see this, yeah, so this is technically the last high. and it bounced again, but then it broke through this grey zone. And we've got this very bullish green candle. Yeah, I like these candles for buys. So yeah, and we're looking to take it back up to this last area here of potential support. Resistance, sorry, resistance, not support. So guys, let's have a look on the H4, because this grey zone becomes a little bit more clearer. So yeah, like I say, price was really using this level as an area of resistance. And now we've broke it, guys. What I want to do is see price come down, and it's potentially a great area for support now. Okay, so once price comes into this grey zone, again, a bullish reaction. I'll take price back up to these highs, and then I'll leave 20% to run. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the H4. Let's take a quick look at the H1. Yeah, I mean, you could argue we'll have a H1 structure break if we get back down to this level, but I'm still okay. It'll become a bit of a H4 play, a bit of a H4 trade, and that's fine, yeah, but it will be breaking H1 structure. So yeah, if we get back down to here, guys, yeah, I really think this is a good level to start looking for buys. Okay, so gold, we are looking to buy gold. So yeah, I'm seeing a little bit of US dollar weakness today. All right, so let's see what happens there. There's more, guys. There's more trades. Before I do, guys, if you're enjoying this analysis, come join us. Yeah, I give you my trade ideas every day. So subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and smash the like button. We'd love to have you, and join our Discord. We'd love to have you on there as well. Gracias. Right, next trade idea is this euro pound. Where are you, euro pound? There you are. So let's start with the day chart, guys. So yeah, the structure of this chart is interesting, I must say. Yeah, because we was in an uptrend. Yeah, then we was in a downtrend because we've got a break of these lows. Okay, and then prices come back up, but it broke this high. So arguably, yeah, at this point we was in an uptrend. Yeah, let me make that a little bit more clear, actually. So yeah, in a downtrend, now in an uptrend. Okay, now in a downtrend, now in an uptrend. But what we are seeing is this triangle, guys. And the market seems to be, you know, abiding by this diagonal resistance level. Because structurally, you know, we are in an uptrend, but we are in this downward channel. Yeah, if I was to carry on drawing this is what I'm seeing. So I expect price to, you know, carry on down using this channel, something like this. All right. And we've got this very bearish candle form on Friday. So I think we can at least take price back down to these lows here. Yeah, this level here. Okay. What I also like, guys, is that it left this lower, the lower part of the triangle. Yeah, this left it, and now this candle left it as well. Yeah. So I think sellers are going to push this market down further. If we look at the H4, okay, yeah, we've got this grey zone through here where price has been reacting. So yeah, let's look down to the H1 now. So what I want to see is this, guys, yeah. We had this choppy price action. Because we got up to these highs and we just got a load of chop. I remember telling you guys on the Discord channel, like, I'm waiting to short euro pound, but this kind of price action is, you know, horrible to trade. But like I say, guys, one of these boxes of indecision. Yeah, you know I love a box of indecision, followed by a bearish candle. Short it. Yeah, short it. Okay, and that's what happened here, guys. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for price to retrace back up into this grey zone here. Yeah, because price has reacted here, and it was the bottom of this box. So I want to see price react here, bearish reaction, take price back down to this level. I close 80%, and then I'll leave 20% to run, guys. All right, so euro pound looking to short from this area here. Okay, is there more? There is more, guys. Euro Aussie dollar. Yeah, we've been looking to short this from Thursday, I believe. So what are we seeing, guys? Let's have a look at the day chart. So we have had a bit of a gap up this morning. So yeah, what am I seeing? If we look at the weekly chart, guys, this paints a little bit of a picture as well. So, you know, we've got this big rejection wick on the weekly chart, potentially a bit of a head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, some of you guys don't know, this is the shoulder, this is the head, and this is the shoulder. Yeah, and then when it breaks this level, you know, it tends to go down. Whatever this was comes back down to the same amount of pips. So this is the idea, head and shoulders. And if we go to the day chart now, again, we are against trend, but we're seeing a lot of selling pressure in here. Yeah, we are against trend. There's no denying it. Yeah, we cannot convince ourselves otherwise. But look at all of these sellers in this market now. Yeah, sellers, even the green candles. Look at the wick on it. Yeah, there's lots of sellers in here. So I think we can push price back down to this 5,650, at least this level, but perhaps lower. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at, guys. If we look at the H1 now, okay, so we've got a couple of grey zones. So we've got this one I'm looking at, and this one down here I'm looking at. Yeah, grey zones everywhere. So what do I want to see? So H1 structure is kind of doing this. So perhaps if we got a retest back up to these highs and we got a bearish reaction at these levels, I think we could enter, take price down to here and then leave some money on the trade. Okay, if that doesn't happen, then perhaps, this level, these last lows here, if we get a break of these lows, retest, yeah, and then we could start shorting from here as well. All right, guys. So yeah, Euro Aussie dollar. We're also looking to short that. And guys, that's all of the trade ideas. So if you enjoyed these trade ideas, come join us. Subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you. Join Discord. Just keep smashing different buttons. Okay, guys. So it's the trade ideas. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Monday, the 6th of March, guys. So it's quite a light news day. We've just got a couple of PMI pieces of data. So as you can see, the first one is this. At 9:30, London GMT, we've got some construction PMI coming out of the UK. So that could move any pound pairs. And then if we carry on down at 3 o'clock London GMT, we got Ivy PMI coming out of Canada. And that could move any Canadian dollar pairs. But other than that, guys, no other news. You are pretty free to trade. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a wonderful trading day, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.